Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create these sweet rhinestone flowers. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, base coat and builder application, apply a thin coat of a hint of pink and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of bouquet to the top of your silicone nail stamper. Gently press it into the tip of your nail and move it from side to side to create a French tip. Using your thin nail art brush, tidy any areas needed before curing. Cure for 30 seconds. Using your dotting tool and whiteout, paint 5 dots to create a flower and one in the center. Cure for 10 seconds. Using your dotting tool and the Gelous nail art glue, paint a dot in the center of each flower and anywhere else you'd like a rhinestone to be. Before cleaning your dotting tool, pick up a clear rhinestone of your choice and place it on top of the nail art glue. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat around the rhinestones and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. This will also look great with other French tip and rhinestone colors. Thanks for watching!